Welcome back, YouTube, to another Fat Guy Builds. I'm here with the Subaru again. We're doing wipers for those of you who don't know how to swap wipers. And I just got these Anco ones off Rock Auto. They're way cheaper than AutoZone or any of them, so let's do this step by step. Step one would be to pull the arms up on the front here. Grab a little flathead here. At least on this version of the wipers I have, it has this little thing. Then on the bottom here, where my finger is, there's a little tab. You pull the tab, and then you wiggle it, and see it slide down? And so, this little tab here, you squeeze it in, like so, and then that releases the little lock that goes in this arm, and it'll let you pull it down. On the driver's side, it's going to be a 21-inch wiper blade. Be a nice guy. Wipe off the nasty crap on the windshield. And you're going to take, putting it on is easier. You're just going to slide it in, and you're going to listen for a click. And now it should be locked. Then you set it down all nice, and you're done. So let's go to the passenger side. On passenger side, same thing. This one has a little door. Reach underneath, pull the safety, pull it off. Passenger side is a 19-inch. Same thing here. Grab this, slide it through this hole, feed it in, clicks. Once it clicks, it should not come back off. Wipe your windshield from the massive amounts of dirt. Set it down. On the back, do the same thing. Clean everything off. This one has a different brand wiper on it already. Same idea though, there's a tab on the bottom. Squeeze the tab and wiggle it off. Could be stuck a little bit. There you go. In the back wiper is a 16-inch wiper. Doesn't really matter what brand you buy, just the lengths actually are the only thing that really matter. Lock it in, set it down, and you are done with all three windshield wipers. Hopefully now you know how to change your wiper blades. Hopefully this gets to people that are really young. If you made it to your 30s and you don't know how to change wipers, hopefully this still helped you. Like, share, subscribe, check me out on Instagram. Till next time, wrench on.